Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I'm gonna show how to remove and install the front cover bumper on 2010 Nissan Versa. Well, first step you want to do is make sure you check out the car, and because you need to take out both wheels to gain access to the back of the front bumper. There's some screws that you gotta take it out, so you gotta remove both tires and by checking out the car. So basically what you want to do is just remove the hubcap. It's just a clip-on basically. So get a flathead and just remove it. That's easy, right? A lot of this is plastic with clips. So that's the second next step. And here is the nuts you gotta remove. So just take out the nut. One there. This tire is a 4x4. Go. That is it. So once you take out the tires, just put it under the car for another safety reason. There you go. Alright, also this plastic panel, it's has some like about several screws on this. Just use the Phillips screwdriver and take it out. Hey guys, just remove the rest of the Phillips, the screws with the Phillips screwdriver, and I will see you in a few minutes, right? Alright guys, at each of the side of the end of the bumper is actually 10mm screws, and use the 10mm socket and just get it out. Alright guys, once you remove the tires, there's a plastic clip here. I recommend you to remove it so you have a better access to get in here, which is a screw right behind this panel. There you go. There you go. Just plastic clips, that's all. Alright guys, once you remove the plastic clip, just start working to get access to the bolt that we need to remove. And here we go. And here it is. There you go guys, right here. That's why you want to remove the plastic clips and try to work with the panel a little bit so you have access right here. This is where the screws is right here. You gotta take that out. You can see it there. Alright guys, use a 10mm socket. Take out the screws. Sorry, it's blocking you. Go. Just get it out. So it's pretty loose. Once it's loose, just use the socket only and take it out. There you go. Alright guys, once you remove all the clips and the screws from the bottom, what you want to do is remove the top panel as well, which is plastic, and it's held by the plastic clip also. And right here, what you want to do is you want to move it first right here, which is part of the air intake. There's a clip here. There's two clips there. That's all it's holding. There you go. And right there. And then take out the rest of the clips. Alright, also you can remove this clip here with a flathead. So just like wiggle around, hover it out, and just take it out. There you go. Basic clip. That's all it's hold. Alright, once just remove everything, all of them on the top of the plastic, so you're able to remove the whole plastic out. I'll see you in a minute. Good duration. Here. Okay guys, once you take out the plastic clip, you just remove the plastic molding. You need to do. Here. There you go. And that is it. This is the plastic molding. Alright guys, once we take out the plastic molding, the cover on the top, and this is part the grill and the bumper. But the bumper actually and the grill actually connected together right now. Yeah, it's via like a 6 plastic and a hole, which is it actually go into the grill. But on my situation right now, basically I don't think we need to take out the grill. We just take it out, the whole thing out, the grill and the bumper, while this grill and the bumper attach. So that's what I'm doing, is pulling everything out. All the screw is loose. We took all the screw out already, so we just like pull, just like wiggle a little bit, and just take it out completely. And this is the whole bumper with the grill. Hey guys, this is it. This is the whole bumper with the grill, which I was said earlier. It holds by these clips here. There's 6 clips, and if you want to take this grill out only, just push it out. That's all you need to do. But I don't need to do that right now because this is the whole thing coming out. It's all about plastic and clips and a couple of screws. That's it. Guys, I can see when I mentioned earlier, this is part of the grill, and this is the bumper. And actually, the bumper actually have a hole here, and which is the clips can go right through into the what's it called, the bumper, which is that's how it holds the grill together with the bumper. It's 3 on this side and 3 on the other side, and that is grill and the bumper. Alright guys, thanks for watching Tech Time with T. This is how you remove the bumper or the grill if necessary you need it to do. For 2010 Nissan Versa, and to install it, you just reverse the process, and that's how you do it. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, think about it really quick. Please do so. Like, dislike, subscribe, comments anything below. If you want to request something that needs to be done, just let me know. I will try to do my best to get it for you.